It's your man Alex. In this video, I'm going to be giving my brother a fresh new haircut. He hasn't gotten a haircut in a few months, as you can tell, but today I'm going to be fixing this mess and cleaning him up really well by giving him a buzz cut taper. Because this haircut will be a buzz cut, I'm starting the haircut with the number 3 guard lever open to remove all of the bulk around his entire head. The key to removing bulk for buzz cuts is to make sure you always go against the grain that your hair grows in. So in easier words, whatever direction your hair lays down naturally, you want to cut in the opposite direction. Another great tip you guys should follow is to make sure that you go over whoever's hair that you're cutting numerous times. Many times with buzz cuts, because you are removing so much hair at once, you will tend to see little hair strands left over that your clipper may have missed. So make sure when you are giving someone a buzz cut that you always run the clippers through their head numerous times to ensure you didn't leave any longer hair strands that could make the haircut look messed up. Now to start with the taper on the sides, I'm using the number 1 guard lever closed, going up to about my brother's eyebrows, and then dropping the guideline right below his occipital ridge on the back of his head. Make sure you have as straight of a guideline as possible. This will help you a lot once you start to blend in the hard line that this guard will leave. Make sure that the guideline on the right side is the exact same height on the left side of their head. The last thing you want is crooked or uneven guidelines when cutting someone's hair. So make sure you double check your work and have both guidelines perfectly even on both sides of their head.
Do not go gentle into that good night.
Using the number 2 guard lever closed, I'm going to go up about 1 inch with a flick out motion. I'm not trying to dig into the length on top of his head, so I'm going to be flicking out once I go up about 1 inch as part of the initial blending process. Now to begin the blending of the 2 hard lines in my brother's head, I'm going to be using the number 2 guard lever halfway open with a flick out motion to blend in that hard line with the length on top, which is the number 3 guard lever open. Remember to start below the hard line and flick up and away from their head. Your goal is to blend in their hair, not dig into the length and extend the haircut further up their head. So to blend in the final guideline, you are going to need to move your lever a few times here to get this right. To start the blend, use the number 1 guard lever open with a flick out motion while going up about 1/4 to half an inch. Going up 1/4 to half an inch will allow the transition color from lighter to darker to be more spread out, giving the blend a much more natural look. Once you do this, close the lever and just flick out that tiny bit of a hard line at the bottom of this transition. So where you stopped with the number 1 guard closed for your initial guideline, flick up and away to remove that guideline, and then carry out this process all the way around their head.
Do not go gentle into that good night.
As a quick heads up, my self-haircut course that has taken me 3 months to create is now available to purchase on my website. If you want to learn how to save hundreds of dollars per year by cutting your own hair and learn a skill set that will last you your entire life, make sure you check out my self-haircut course. In the course, you will learn all of the tips and skills that I've learned over the past 10 years of cutting my own hair in over 60 high-quality videos. From how to use thinning shears, how to properly cut the length on top of your head with scissors, to utilizing your hands, wrists, arms, and body motions while looking through the mirror to give yourself a professional-like haircut. If this sounds like something you are interested in, check out all of the course details on my website using the first link at the top of the description. I look forward to helping you become an expert self-haircutter and saving you a lot of money throughout the years.
Instinct.
To finish off this haircut, I'm going to be using my wall beard trimmers with the T-blade to give my brother a clean ear, neck, and forehead lineup. This detail work is what really makes everyone's haircut stand out and give it that sharp, fresh look. Make sure when you are giving someone a lineup like this that you only cut any of the longer hairs that are hanging out from their natural hairline. All you are trying to do is clean up the haircut. Carefully go around their head, cleaning up any of the hair by their natural hairline.
Do not go gentle into that good night.
Alright everyone, here is the before. My brother looked like a straight up wolf and now looks like a clean, fresh new man. And if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching. and I'll catch you next time. Peace!